the strangest feeling to know what to believe in.
Hi everyone, hope you are doing well from where you are. So welcome for another video. This is the best video ever, and I would like to get you guys onto something. And I literally wanted to show you this so that you can go ahead and use it for your own benefit. I know there are so many people out there who are like me, who have been creating, serving for free, but this is the time for you to actually get paid for your art. Anything that you have done, anything you have put your hands in, put it on here, make sure your people support you. So I want you guys to actually know Stan. I came across Stan on Saturday. Sunday I signed up. I was able to actually get into the website and learn more. I literally paid everything that I had. I put onto the site, so you'll be able to see what I have done. And just like any other website, you will have and do your registration, your username that you would like, your name, email for TikTok, or I think they also take Instagram, and then your phone number and then your password. You are able to create your account. Okay, now because I have already made an account, I will just go ahead and sign in. Okay, immediately sign in, this is where they take you. This is the dashboard for the site for Stan. You'll be able to see store, funnel, your income, your referrals, your audience, your analytics, your integrations. So on here, there's different kind of things. Okay, you're able to see your revenue, your leads, your site, how many people who have viewed your site. So like I said, I opened this site on Sunday, and I already have 27 people visit my site just from my following only. Okay, so let's say if I decide to advertise, this is a different story. And I usually have around 10,000 visits monthly on my account, and I don't have 10,000 followers yet. So you can imagine how, let's say if you have even 10 followers or 100 followers, you are, that's enough already to put out there you whatever you have. Okay, so you're able to view the analytics if you would like, which is down here, and then you store visits, your total revenue. So far I have not made anything. Hopefully I'm gonna make a video showing you how much I have made the next time. And then you have the leads. This is me. I signed up trying to see how this actually works. And then the page view, people who have viewed your page, you have the click breakdowns here, and you have the traffic source, you have the conversion. You see all here, they are showing how like people signed from Facebook, Instagram, others that were not recording, they were the ones who went through stand.com, and the ones who went through my actual affiliate link. So you can see all that. And then yeah, so this is what I actually love about the store. This is where you'll be able to actually add your product. So if you add a product, you will be able to add an email. Let's say people want to sign up and be part of your audience. Email wise, this is where they sign up. You can do book one-on-one calls, you can do booking of coaching calls, or anything that you need to call somebody. You can host an e-course just like Zoom, whereby you'll be able to be online and teach people some skills that you have, of which I would love to do this sometime. I haven't done that yet. I actually used to do this when I used to be a personal trainer, but right now I don't do these anymore. And then you have the affiliate link if you want to actually refer people This is one of my best sell digital products. So I have created 4 books. I have 2 of them on Amazon. I do have 2 on my website, and this is one that is on Amazon. If you would like to go and buy the book, it's actually a journal that is spectacular. Okay. And I do have more journals as well, because I like personalizing journal according to how somebody would prefer them, or I do prefer them because I use them. And then we have personalized video response, whereby somebody can ask you anything and then you respond via video. And then we have recurring membership. I'm not a fan of these because I don't want people to keep up with payments. I don't like it, so I wouldn't want to put someone onto a recurring subscription. That's why anything I offer, you either get it for free or you pay once and that's it. That's how I like operating. And then you'll be able to get funnel. So I do use funnel on one of my business, and it's great because we'll actually do a sell and close for you, which is perfect. And then you're able to see your income, be able to track how much you earn, and then your referrals if you have any, and you'll be able to see my audience, whereby this is me whom I was doing actually a trial some time back, and I was able to actually I was able to go through. So this is one of the best thing, analytics. Okay, so you can see people who visited your store, which was 27. Total revenue so far I have 0, and I said I'm gonna make a next video next time showing you how much I have there. And then a lead, this is me whom I was actually trying to see how this works. And then we have product page visit, 10 people. And then we have clicks breakdown, 15. There's details here if you want to know. So for anybody who has never been in a business, or who don't own any business right now, you'll be able to be a little bit confused, but this is actually great. It's a great and simple ways to understand what happened inside a sales company, like any, if it's like product, whatever it is, and then or services, all these. So traffic, you can tell where your traffic came from. All these are just great information. Like I have 30 people who came, one through admin, and then there's one some through Facebook, someone through Instagram, someone other sites that were not recorded by Stan, someone through Stan.store, and then some also went through my actual referral link. So you can see all these are great things, and you can change it however you want it. Okay, you can also, the good thing, they give you this is something that is usually hard to write, not hard, but it's too much to write. So they give you these, and then you actually edit it according to your company, and then you're able to actually have all these information, useful information here. So I hope this is helpful, and for anybody who has always wanted to actually save their creativity or do something and share with their audience, get on Stan. I'm not affiliated with Stan whatsoever, but I thought that this will be something great that I can share with my people, so that you're able to know exactly about Stan. Okay, so with that being said, just to show you what I have so far from my actual site. Okay, so I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things that somebody can go through to actually get involved in my, to get, here you can get Instagram. I do help people know exactly how they can modify whatever they're posting, so that they're able to actually get to the point easily. So you can use this e-guide, and it's free of charge. So this is my actual normal business that I have been running publicly, and I actually love it so much. You also get all the information about our business free of charge, and then we have one-on-one coaching calls. So I do get people wanting to talk to me about their business ideas and also help them put it together, help them come up with a business plan, all those things. And I never charge anybody because I was trying to help, but because of Stan, I'm able to actually make my time and be able to actually help people as well as they pay for my time. I've done this for free for quite some time, so it's time for me to be rewarded. Okay, and then this is my Amazon store, and then this is my recommendation, some things that I use personally. They're here. And then we have, I do help people do research, find vendors, things they can actually start, how they can start wig businesses. I did these for a couple people for free of charge, and then later on I started charging. So I was like, you know what, I can actually put also this public and show people that I do this as well. So you'll be able to get these when you buy this specific package. It's great. It has every information that you need to start a wig business. Vendors, personal vendors that I personally have used in the past, and then also some vendors that used by people whom I have helped. So I have helped 15 people I gave away like 15 e-guides, and then 7 people are the ones who are able to actually come for the e-guides. Others didn't, so I just was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and be able to create this so that I'm able to actually help people. So I'm selling it on sale right now, so it's not even like that expensive, because once the sale is done, go back to the normal price. Anyways, yeah, so what else? We do have my digital printable gratitude. These are books that I use, which is the same as these. Okay, I just changed the cover and I did a little bit of changes onto the guide. So it's definitely something helpful, something that is gonna make you feel amazing, as well as be able to guide your day. You know, I love guiding my day, be able to know how my day is gonna be. That's why I came up with this book. So get on it. So I hope this helps somebody who actually have had some creativity stored somewhere, and I want you to actually be able to share it with the audience and be rewarded. And another thing that I love about this is because you can able to see what is going on. Let's say this is my phone. This is what you can see here, and then also you can change the design. I can have it this way, have it that way if I want, this if I want, this if I want. It depends with how somebody wants it really. To be honest, all of them are great, and I think I personally prefer these because it shows everything that I want to show you guys in a great way. I like these too, but they color, maybe if I change the colors, I don't know. I will see exactly which one is the best, but this is what I prefer so far. So hope this helps you guys, and hopefully this video was not too long and you are able to watch until the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Use Stan. I don't get paid. I don't have anything to do with Stan, but I thought it was a great site to help you, like, to show you guys how it works, especially for those people who do not have account and those who are thinking if they should get account. Get account, girl. You have everything that you need on here. Okay. So have a good day and bye for now.